Come on, get out of there. I gotta work. You need to get out. Ooh, feisty. Alright, we got a 200 amp panel. Gotta make that hole bigger. 3/4 will go up to the crawl space all the way to the front. Got the lizard out. I'm gonna do a charger right here. Tesla wall connector. Right, we got our fish tape through. The flex is gone to crawl space. 3/4 inch flex with EMT. The base is installed. Now we have to run our wires. Number 6 gauge. This is a very cool roller. Has tires on the front. You can just lift it. We use 1-inch pipe to carry the wires. I don't know if I have the link. If I do, I'll put it in the description. Alright, we got our 60 amp, 6 gauge, round bonding, pipe down, straight in. Alright, finished work. That's the charger, universal ones, the ones that you can charge any car. Pretty awesome. Clean work. And right next to the driveway. Alright, that's it with this one. Now off to the next one.